In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create an assessment in Haiku where you draw on questions that you've given in previous years, or even if you want to merge two assessments that you had given prior. This will give you the steps for being able to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is in my assessments, I'm going to just add an assessment. I'm just going to add an exam here and fill in some information. So go ahead and choose what you need. And then I will click Add Question just as I normally do, but instead of adding a new question here, I'm going to add an existing question from my question library. So then I'll be taken to this screen where I can filter by whichever class. So say that I want to take an assessment that I had done in the 2013-14 school year. So I click on that, and so you see that the current filter is on. So I'm only seeing assessments that I gave in AP Psychology 2013 to 2014 school year. And say that I want to draw from questions. I'm actually going to do two things here. I'm going to merge some questions from the Unit 10 test and the Unit 11 test. So first step, I'm going to take some questions from the Unit 10 test. So I just click on it, and then I have all the questions that I gave in that test last year. So I just choose whichever ones that I want to choose. I could have also selected all questions on this page just like that. So now that I have those three questions selected, I'm just going to choose Add Selection to Assessment. And then I just want to insert all those questions, all three of those that I just selected. And I'm going to just press Insert. And so now they're there. And then I can add more questions. So I'm going to go back to my question library. And I had said that I wanted to merge the Chapter 10 unit with the Chapter 11. So I'm clicking on the class again. And now I'm going to go to the Unit 11. And I'll just choose a couple questions from that I needed. Add Selection to Assessment. Add them all. And that's about it. So that's a way that I can merge two tests that I had given previously, or if I just wanted to directly take an entire test that I had given before and roll it over to the new year, I could have just clicked on the class 2013 to 14, say I wanted that Unit 11 test, and I could have just selected all results. And so all results would copy over the entire assessment to this new assessment that you're creating in the 2014 to 2015 class. So that's about it for creating new assessments from old assessments and merging them. So I hope that helps.